Good morning, it's me Ahmad. He sleep travel with me. So today I'm going to take you around of Japan Tokyo streets. It's a beautiful. So the weather is pretty good. In Tokyo it's cold, sometimes it's rain also. So we'll go to the west direction. In Tokyo, good thing of people are they always travel by walk. Mostly people, they only travel by using their, and trains are very common. Less of the people, those who use their cars, and you see, I think it's a college girls walking around the street, and you can see me also. I'm walking over here. It's little bit rush over here. Just taking a walk around the streets. There are some shops, like they make small boxes where you can select your things, whatever you want. Everyone is designed very beautifully, if you see. I think that's the wholesale market. I'm in a cafe, Factory 45. They mostly serve desserts. So the one which I order is French toast with the ice cream. So let me taste and give you reviews how it tastes like. Okay friends, I ordered French toast with ice cream. My order is here and I will show you how it looks like. You can see, wow, it's beautiful. That's a French toast with some cream, some leaf of mint with ice cream, and it's cinnamon, and they give some syrup also, which I have to, it's like honey, like syrup, it's already poured, which I have to pour in it and taste how it's like. So I'm gonna take a little bite of the ice cream and with this bread. Wow, it's something amazing. I tried first time this stuff. It's very nice. Let me take one more bite with some cream and pour in the syrup. It's beautiful. Not too much sweet. It's normal in taste and amazing.
に留学してたんですよ。
เข้มปิดทุ่มครึ่งทุ่มหนึ่ง
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Give me number one, please.
Number one.
Number one. Okay. I'm here for whipped cream. I choose the chocolate with the banana. So guy is making for me. You can have a look. He's making a Okay, here's go. My whipped cream is ready. Wow. Thank you so much.
Number one.
Okay, that's my whipped cream. I choose strawberry banana. It's a cream with banana. It's a favorite, like one of the favorite dish in Japan. People eat it too much and enjoy that. Now I'm gonna take a bite. Amazing. Yum in chest, man. You have to try everyone this one. It's beautiful in chest. I have no words, really I have no words. It's so amazing. Friends, I'm enjoying my whipped cream. Amazing. There are a lot of amazing things in Japan which you have to eat, and this one is one of them. You guys, I'm in a Baskin Robbins now. Baskin Robbins in Japan is the busiest Baskin Robbins. You can see they have a long queue and people are just waiting for their turn. So I'm also here. I want to try what they have so special. Why people are waiting for them to eat that stuff. It's a long queue. I think it will take almost 15 to 20 minutes for my turn. Is ready. The lady is going to give me crepe. So thank you so much. So I'm gonna go somewhere and let's taste this crepe. Baskin Robbins, there is no alternative Baskin Robbins. So let's gonna taste. Guys, there is no alternate of Baskin Robbins. Trust me. That's amazing. And let me try with the crepe. Wow.